Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Adegoke and I'm a WordPress calculator and contact forms expert. So I've been building WordPress calculators for a couple of years now, and today I'm going to show you how to prevent contact form spam using a method that I developed myself. So this is a common problem with many WordPress users. They find their forms being bombarded with spam messages sent by bots, and many people go to the captcha solution either using reCAPTCHA or HCAPTCHA. But I've found out that those captcha services, they slow down your site. But if you don't mind having them slow down your site, you can, well, continue with them. If not, if you want your site to be super fast and you don't want that kind of lag that the captcha services add to your site, then this method I'm going to show you is best for you, because you don't have to use a reCAPTCHA and you will have your form free from spam 100%. This method I'm showing you is what I've used on many of my sites, including client sites, and I have 100% no spam, like 0% spam for all of the sites. Yeah, so I'm going to walk you through the process, and if you like the templates I'm using here, I can just send it to you if you ask in the comments, so you don't need to go through the process of creating your own. Before I start, I'm going to be using this plugin called calculated fields form, and with just 49.99 EUR you can have access to the lifetime version of the plugin. So apart from using this for the the spam free contacts, there are other options that you get, other features like integration with PayPal, like being able to export the form. So the license you get for buying this is multi-site. You can use the forms on as many sites as you want, and there's no deal that comes close to this when you talk about WordPress forms. Every other one, I have an idea of what they cost and what they do. So you can export this form to every other site you're going to make, and you can store all of your information, from your users in a database. You can store them in a CSV that you can export from your site. It also comes with ability to respond to email, like auto response, and then forward the messages sent from the client to your own email. Then 60 days of technical support and some other stuff. Okay, so let's get to it. This is the back end of my site, and this is how this form you're seeing right here, this is how it looks. Okay, so I have a single line text field according to calculated fields form, and that is where the name is entered right here. To make it required, I just need to toggle a button just right here. I just need to check this field. Okay, and then email field, which is here. All of these fields are also available in the free version of the plugin. So there's a free version that you can use, but it doesn't have the ability to send and receive email. So you can do a lot of calculations, a lot of mathematical stuff, but not email. Email field right here, phone number right here. Now, unlike many other calculator and contact form plugins, this allows you to select number formats, like how many numbers you want, and you can include country code or not. All of them are already listed. You just need to choose the one you want. Yeah, this is how it looks on the front end. See the default number of characters, that is what is right here. Okay, and this is a text area field where you can enter in message, and here I have an instructional text and a slider. So this slider is what you have right here. Now the logic I have deployed is to hide the submission button. Without the submission button, this whatever you've sent, you've written here cannot be sent. Okay, but for you to submit, to see the submission button, you need to answer this question: what is 5 minus 2? So the question can be anything. It could be 1 plus 1, it could be 2 plus 2, it could be any simple thing that any human being can answer. So what is 5 minus 2? That is 3. Okay, so if I scroll to 1, 2, 3, you see a submission button displaying here, and I can submit this information. If I go beyond that, the button disappears. It will only take a human to find the answer to this and do this slide right here. So that is the logic I've adopted for this. Now this slider runs from 1 to 6 here, yeah, but I'll change it to 3 now, and it moves in 0.5 steps. So let me save and reload this page. As you can see, it is now from 1 to 3. Yeah. So there are marks here too. These marks, they are set right at this place. So I can increase the division to 10. They are currently 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But to display the button, there is a calculation going right here. This is a calculated field, and in this calculated field, I've entered field name 20, which is the slider. So this field pulls whatever value that is in this slider, it pulls it into itself and has a simple rule right here. It is called dependency rule. So if value is equal to 3, show field name 21. It could be if value is not equal to or greater than or equal to, less than, but what I needed here is equal to, so it is definite. The answer just has to be 3 for the button to show. If the answer is not 3, the button wouldn't show. So if the answer is equal to 3, I mean in the slider, then this field will ask field name 21 to show. Field name 21 is a div field containing a button. Now this button can also be outside here, and I can decide to change the rule here to say true. If this is true, show field name 14, and it will still work perfectly. So let me save the changes now and reload this. Okay, 5 minus 2, 3. Still working. Okay, so I have the button back in the div, so I need to change this to field name 21, as you can see right there. Now for the button, this is how it works. You just need to select this submit button, and it does its work. It actually does submit. Okay, so if you like this template, if you need this template, just make a comment, ask in the comment, and I will send it your way. And if you want me to build a different kind of form for you, I'll be happy to do that for you. My email is michael@calculatordiary.com. So aside using calculator fields form, I could use other plugins for forms. I have a license to Gravity Forms as well. So this is just what I do. Yeah, if this video has been helpful to you, please like the video and consider subscribing to my channel. At the time of this recording, I don't have any subscriber. This is a brand new channel. You could be my first subscriber, and it will mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to you building something amazing with this plugin. The link to the plugin is in the description of this video. Please, if you're going to buy this plugin, use my affiliate link so I can get some commission from it. and I'm recommending it because I really love the plugin and it has been helpful to me. I've built entire sites around it. For instance, this no code calculator, all of the plugins, all of the calculators I have on it were built with this plugin, and it can really do some amazing stuff. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.